My assistant's showering and getting to the bathroom.
Yeah, no problem. I won't leave her side.
Paul, you need a break.
We are not admitting him because this is not about social justice. Hey, Donnie, my buddy Duke hasn't checked in yet?
No, I told Lupe to keep an eye out.
Thank you.
Yep.
He's gonna have to stay.
For how long?
Not sure.
Hi everyone, have you ever wondered how real, natural English sounds in every situation? Today we're going to dive into powerful expressions from the Pitt, where emotions are high and conversations are real, natural, and unforgettable. So no boring textbook English, but expressions that you can use immediately. So stay tuned and stay with me, because by the end of this video, you won't just understand these expressions. You'll be able to use them like a native speaker. Let's begin.
Hey, did you hear about Louis?
Yeah.
I'm here if you want to talk.
My assistant's showering and getting to the bathroom.
Yeah, no problem. I won't leave her side.
Paul, you need a break.
I'm happy to do this for you. You're my wife.
Most people who think they have a penicillin allergy actually don't.
Always listen to the nurses. They run the ER.
We are not admitting him because this is not about social justice.
Just because you know it's broken doesn't mean you stop trying.
How are we doing in here?
Almost ready to head out.
Looking good. Heart rate 91.
Hey, Donnie, my buddy Duke hasn't checked in yet?
No, I told Lupe to keep an eye out.
Thank you.
Yep. It's first week for these two. How you guys liking the Pit?
I feel like I was born to do this.
Hard pass.
He's gonna have to stay.
For how long?
Not sure. His pulse ox was steady. We were about to discharge him. The doctor Alshimi put you up to that?
Hell, I see me now.
Looks like they're doing the debrief for Louis. You coming?
I'll pay my respects. Besides, it's gonna hold down the fort.
Keep an eye on him. So when you say keep an eye on him, this can have two meanings. One, you're being caring, or you're being suspicious. So this means that you're trying to watch someone carefully to make sure either they are doing fine or they are safe, or if they are behaving correctly. For example, you're going away and you're asking a sitter to look after your dog. So you can say, can you please keep an eye on him while I'm away? Which means like, can you care for him when I'm away? Or you seeing a manager dealing with a difficult employee, and you can say, keep an eye on him and update me on what's going on. So it's like, watch him closely, see how he's working, and then let me know. Hard pass. This is another expression that can be either funny or firm, depending on the situation and your tone. So it's a strong way to say no. It's an immediate rejection. It's like, hell no. So in a sentence, you can say, eating a raw fish, that's a hard pass for me. It's like, I immediately reject eating a raw fish. So when the nurse helped the prisoner to stay one more night, the doctor said, did Dr. Al-Hashimi put you up to that? This means that someone influenced you or persuaded you or even tricked you to do something, especially if it is risky. So you use this when you suspect someone influenced someone else's behavior or actions. So for example, you can say, did she put you up to ask that question? Which means, did she influence you or persuaded you? Hold down the fort. This is something that we usually use at workplace. If, for example, everyone else is going on vacation and you're the only person that is not. So you can say, I'm here, I'm holding down the fort, which means that you're temporarily taking care of stuff or take responsibility for other person's duties or tasks. So you use that to say, I take responsibility or I take care of the situation while someone else is away so that I make sure everything runs smoothly and everything goes as planned. For example, you can say, don't worry about work when you're away, I'll hold down the fort. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Drop your suggestions in this comment section. What should we watch next? Bye.